In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a data source in fields in Tableau. If you've ever found yourself needing to update your data source or make changes to specific fields, this tutorial will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. To get started, open your Tableau desktop app. This is where all the magic will happen. Once the app is open, navigate to your worksheet. Your worksheet is your creative canvas in Tableau, where all your visual data elements are brought together. With your worksheet ready, select the specific sheet you want to update. Think of the sheet as a chapter in your data story. Precisely selecting it ensures that the process goes smoothly and only the desired data is affected. Now focus on your current data source. Simply right-click on it. A context menu will appear, and this is where we initiate the replacement journey. From this menu, select Replace Data Source. This feature is your gateway to efficiently transitioning the old data to new, keeping your visuals intact. Once you're in the Replace Data Source dialog, select the new data that you want to use. Be sure that this new data set aligns with the structure of the old one to avoid unnecessary complications. Confirm your choice by clicking OK, solidifying your selection and paving the way for new insights. In some cases, after replacing the data source, you might encounter broken fields or disrupted visuals. Don't worry, there's a fix for that. If some data appears broken, right-click on the problematic dimension. This will help you identify and address the broken data fields. Next, from the context menu, click on Replace References. This option allows you to efficiently redirect Tableau to the correct data references, ensuring the integrity of your work. Finally, select the appropriate reference from your updated dataset and click OK. This action finalizes the reconnection of any disrupted data links, smoothly tucking everything back into place. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced a data source and updated any broken fields within Tableau. With these steps, you can handle data changes confidently, allowing you to focus your creativity and analytical skills on uncovering new insights. Thank you for watching, and happy data visualizing.